How to buy BNBGPT token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 9 hours ago and increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity, as you can see here, it locked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the BNB Smart Chain. So open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitGet wallet. Click on wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added, called BNBGPT. Now click on it. Click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. In a while we'll be able to see how much you receive of that token. So this is it. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Just click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BNBGPT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.